สุดท้ายบางคนเอาเนี้ยให้ชมสมาคมการชนะจำนวนงี้งานนี้ยืนใจจำเลยปีกันเลือกสำหรับการประลองภาษาอังกฤษวิสัยประลองบัตรดุให้วิดีโอที่มวยได้ยืมบางทางในปีนี้คือแตะเต้าหนึ่งการประลอง reading เช่นต่อแต่เมื่อออกเนี้ยนี่คือเจียวิญญาณบัตรดุชนำปีปอนดอกปมและยังเลือกเยอะมากมือต่างออกเนี้ย Read the text and fill the gaps with the words in the box. Get what has been done as an example. ยังมือcáiยังgiờ bịa nè để trong bộ ẩm ní màu bình hay bịa tìm mũi ní đấy number one ní tại bạn cái thứ ảo vậy chẳng biết discussion sports businessman fire converted money to pay rebuild indoors originally used ចឹងយើងមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាថាតើយើងត្រូវមានកលឹះអីខ្លះដើម្បីបំពេញពាក្យហ្នឹងឲ្យត្រូវទាំងអស់តោះឥឡូវយើងអានហើយបំពេញទាំងអស់គ្នា Opening up new sport center ទឹកចម្ប៉ា sport center which has been completely នេះ number 1 គេដាក់ឲ្យហើយ rebuild was reopened yesterday by the Ministry for Sport. The building was dot used អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលនៅត្រង់នេះនេះគេយើងប្រើ was បូកឲ្យ use នេះអញ្ចឹងវាជាការអី past simple passive អញ្ចឹងនៅប្រឡោះនេះទាំងអស់នេះអាចដាក់អីបាន adverb គុណកិរិយាអញ្ចឹងយើងរើមើលលើនេះថាតើយើងមានគុណកិរិយាប្រមាណមានតែមួយ originally តោះហើយដាក់ទាំងអស់គ្នានេះ you originally used as a market but was sold to Champa Council in 1981 and then dot into a sport hall អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលអីតែនឹង converted បាទ converted ដោយសារវាភ្ជាប់ទៅនេះ was sold then was converted into a sport hall local school play football and basketball អញ្ចឹងតែនេះវាជា object របស់ play អញ្ចឹងវាត្រូវការពាក្យមួយមកបំពេញទាំងនេះយើងត្រូវការពាក្យអី indoor ឃើញទេនៅខាងក្នុង and keep fit classes were held there in 2001 the hall was damaged by earth នេះវាត្រូវការនាមឃើញទេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលនាមមានអីខ្លះ discard អញ្ចឹង damage hall ហ្នឹង was damaged ត្រូវបានបំផ្លាញធ្វើឲ្យខូចដោយអីយើងរើនាមបើវាមានច្រើនទាំងអស់នេះមើលទៅ meaning របស់វាអត្ថន័យរបស់វាយើងបំផ្លាញអី discussion businessman ឬក៏ money ឃើញទេទាំងអស់នេះគឺជានាមអញ្ចឹងយើងរើសពាក្យនាមណាមួយដែលវាស៊ីន័យគ្នា fire which broke out in the heating system the hall could not be used and remained empty while discussion ឃើញទេ while discussion វាទាមទារយកសំពាក្យថ្មីទៅនេះ continued about its future it was then decided that the hall would be rebuilt and an appeal from អំពាវនាវទាមទារដល់អី was launched money ឃើញទេដោយសារយើងមានការអំពាវនាវរក money អញ្ចឹងវាទាមទារយកនាមនៅពីក្រោយ for 2 years ago a local អញ្ចឹងយើងសល់បាន sport business local អញ្ចឹងតែនេះវាទាមទារយកនាមទៀតណាមានតែពីរអញ្ចឹង local អី businessman offer ខ្វះអីនេះសល់ពី3ពាក្យកិរិយាសព្ទទាមទារ offer to pay for the building work and the plans were drawn up the new hall includes a swimming pool running track and other facility សម្ភារៈ sport កីឡាឃើញទេវាទាមទារចូលន័យវា which can be អញ្ចឹង be ទៅនេះវាចាប់យកអី by anyone can be used ជាទម្រង់ present simple passive អញ្ចឹងដោយសារវាមាន be ពីក្រោយចាប់យកកិរិយាសព្ទ verb 3 in the Champa area. The ministry made a speech in which he congratulated everyone involved. នេះគឺជាកន្លឹះមួយចំនួនងាយៗសម្រាប់ជួយអ្នកនរគ្នាក្នុងការបំពេញអត្ថបទអានអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូនេះមានប៉ុណ្ណឹង Good luck